In the last chapter, we learned about numbers 1 to 100. In this chapter, our main focus will be learning Samayaha, time in Sanskrit, along with the sentences of how we can say our own dinacharya, meaning routine, जो हम दिन में करते हैं. So in this chapter, our main focus will be Mama Dinacharya, how we can say our own routine sentences in Sanskrit. So let's get started. प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते. मैं हूं आपकी संस्कृत आचार्य डॉक्टर नम्रता. नमस्ते संस्कृत यूट्यूब चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है. हमारे साथ जुड़िए. प्रेस द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. आरंभं कुर्मः. Before going forward, let's understand the basics of samay. So, Esha Gati, this is a clock, and here we should be able to know what is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock till 12 o'clock. So, the word for o'clock is Vadanam. Vadanam yani baja. Itne baje. So, Vadanam, to have a string and some sound is coming, that is called Vadanam. So the numbers, this is Ekam, but 1 o'clock will be Ekavadanam. This is Dve, but 2 o'clock will be Dvivadanam. This is Trini, but 3 o'clock will be Trivadanam. This is Chatvari, but 4 o'clock will be Chaturvadanam. So we have to be careful for Ekavadanam, Dvivadanam, Trivadanam, Chaturvadanam. After that, everything is just as the numbers. Panchavadanam, Shatvadanam, Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dashavadanam. After Dasha, we will add Dasha plus Eka. That will become 11. Ekadasha Vadanam. You say Eka, A and then Dasha. Ekadasha Vadanam. For 10 plus 2, 12, we will say Dvadasha Vadanam. Dvadasha Vadanam. So this is the mistake that students make because we have been taught 1, 2, 3, 4 को तो ये कहते हैं एकम द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि. लेकिन समय में these words are to be taken from the root, main root, and not ekam dve trini chatvari. So our timing will look like this. Usme bhi sabse important is chaturvadanam because of the ref. People make mistake here that they do this ref above the, but no, wo chartuvadanam nahi hai, chaturvadanam hai. So note down these things. And the next important thing is this. We should be able to do at least what is 15 minutes called, what are 30 minutes called, and what are 45 minutes called. But in this chapter, our main focus is only Samanya Samayaha, the simple clock, and the second thing is Sapada and Sardha. Paduna is not at all given anywhere in the chapter. Even there are a few questions that we are going to discuss at the end of this, because they have asked you everything. All the time they have asked you, but it is nowhere in the chapter. So let's focus on the chapter right now, and later on after the chapter we are going to solve those exercises as well. If we consider this complete circle as 360 degree, तो उसके आधे को कहेंगे अर्ध और आधे के भी आधे को कहेंगे पाद. इसीलिए हमने 15 मिनट्स को सपाद, 30 minutes को सार्ध और 45 minutes को पादोन कहा. But these are the not only things that we should know. We should also be know the background of these words. Let's talk about sapada. Sa means साथ में, with. पाद means 1/4. आधे को कहते हैं अर्ध, तो सार्ध meaning with half an hour. So if timing is 1 o'clock, so this is Ekavadanam. After 15 minutes, so this is Ekavadanam and this is at 3. So I will say Sapada Ekavadanam, meaning एक तो बज गए लेकिन 15 मिनट के साथ. सिमिलरली दिस इज एकवादनम सपाद एक एंड नाउ वापस 15 मिनट हो गए. अब मैं कहूंगी सार्ध एकवादनम, आधा घंटा हो गया है 1 बजने के साथ साथ. तो आधे के साथ 1 बजा, 15 मिनट्स के साथ 1 बज गया. लेकिन पादोन इज नॉट लाइक दैट. पाद का मीनिंग नाउ यू नो, 1/4 मीनिंग 15 मिनट्स, 1/4 ऑफ द सर्कल मीनिंग 15 मिनट. अब 15 मिनट यहाँ पे ऊन है, ऊन यानी कम है, इसीलिए हम 145 को 1/4, पौना बे कहते हैं. उसी तरह से 145 को संस्कृत में पादोन द्विवादनम के 2 बजने के लिए 15 मिनट कम है. ओके, सो एज आई सेड बिफोर, सामान्य समय, सिंपल समय and sapada sarda are the only thing you should know right now to enter the chapter. Let's go how to say dinacharya in Sanskrit. I'm so excited about it. तो चलिए, मम दिनचर्या यानी जो लड़का यहाँ बोल रहा है उस बच्चे की दिनचर्या रूटीन हम जानते हैं कि वो कितने बजे क्या करता है. Okay, in the copy I received there was a mistake Ujjishthami that I have corrected. I hope you also correct this. Make it Uttisthami just like this. The prathamam vakyam is aham, because the boy is saying aham pratidinam षट्वादने उत्तिष्ठामि. मैं हमेशा 6 बजे उठता हूं. I wake up at 6 o'clock. Although 6 o'clock is called षट्वादनम, but whenever we have to say at this time, इस समय में मैंने ये किया, तो मे के लिए हम एक ही मात्रा ऐड करते हैं, षट्वादने. किम करोति? उत्तिष्ठति. अतः अहम के साथ उत्तिष्ठामि, मैं उठता हूं. अब मुझे नहीं पता कि आपको कितना समय लगता है नहा धोकर तैयार होने में, बट दिस बॉय इज सेइंग षट्वादनतः सार्धषट्वादन पर्यंतम दंतधावनम स्नानं च करोमि. Dantadhavanam means not teeth are dhavanam, running away. No, dantadhavanam is brushing your teeth. Snanam, you already know. Cha means and, जो हम दोनों शब्दों के लास्ट में लगाते हैं. 6 बजे से 6:30 बजे तक. From 6 o'clock till 6:30, I do brushing of my teeth and I take bath. Now there are 2 words we should focus on. One is this tah. In any type of samay, if we write tah, it means from this. And if we write paryantam, in any of the word, it means till. So from 6 o'clock till 6:30. In Hindi we say, itne baje se इतने बजे तक. इन गुजराती भी से आटला वाग्या थी आटला वाग्या सुधी. So these are the translation for tah and paryantam. So frequently these words will be used in the complete chapter. So please note it down. Okay, तो नहा धो के तैयार हो गए आधे घंटे में. What next? सार्ध षट वादनतः सप्तवादन पर्यंतम योगासनम करोमि. I do yogasan, meaning I do yoga from 6:30 till 7 o'clock. After that, आधा घंटा योगा करने के बाद क्या किया? तदनंतरम दुघम, दुद्यम, क्या लिखा है पता नहीं. There is a mistake here in this word. So please do the corrected form dugdham. Tadanantaram is after that. Dugdham alpaharam karomi cha. Afterwards, I do my breakfast. Now, breakfast is called alpa ahar. It's a myth that breakfast should be heavy and धीरे धीरे आपको कम करना है, lunch and dinner and all that. But breakfast को कहते हैं अल्प आहार. बहुत ज्यादा सुबह सुबह ही खा लेंगे तो स्कूल में नींद आएगी, या काम पे जाते तो काम पे भी नींद आएगी. तो इसीलिए सुबह जो है वो अल्प आहार करना चाहिए. अल्प यानी कम खाना चाहिए. सो ब्रेकफास्ट को अल्पाहार कहते हैं और दुग्धम इज द वर्ड फॉर मिल्क. सो दिस बॉय इज हैविंग मिल्क एंड ब्रेकफास्ट आफ्टर दैट. आफ्टर व्हाट? आफ्टर सप्तवादनम, आफ्टर 7 o'clock. मम माता गृह कार्यम करोति. अहम ताम सहायम करोमि. मेरी माता गृह कार्य करती है. Now, as I said before, griha karyam means two things. If you are a student, griha karyam means homework. Okay, to write, to memorize all that homework. For a woman, griha karyam means household chores, cooking, cleaning, washing, all those things. So he is saying that mama mata griha karyam karoti. My mother is doing all the household chores, and aham tam sahayam karomi. I am helping her out. So sweet. Are you people also helping your mothers in cooking, cleaning and washing? Please do that. After that he says, Navavadanatah Dashavadana Paryantam Adhyayanam Karomi. Adhyayanam is study. Adhyayanam Karomi. I study from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. 9 to 10 he studies every morning by his own. Okay? He's not going to school right now. Wait. लगता है आफ्टरनून की स्कूल है. लेट्स सी. सार्ध एकादश वादने भोजनम करोमि. ओके, सो लंच थोड़ा जल्दी होना चाहिए, इसी कारण से ये कब भोजन करता है? सार्ध, सी, विथ हाफ एकादश 11:30, 11:30 बजे ये भोजन करता है. आफ्टर दैट ही सेज सपाद द्वादश वादने at 12:15 विद्यालयम गच्छामि. he goes to school. तो आफ्टरनून स्कूल है. तत्र अहम विविधान विषयान पठामि. there he studies a variety of subjects, a lot of subjects. when we were little, we were almost studying 5 to 7 subjects. I don't know about your school, just I'm curious to know कि आजकल स्कूल में कितने subjects होते हैं, including all the co-curriculum things. Comment and let me know how many subjects are there in your school. Okay, so he is at school, he is studying, and now he comes back. At what time? Sayam Shat Vadane Aham Griham Agachami. Evening 6 o'clock, he comes back to home. Sapada Shat Vadanatah Sapada Sapta Vadana Paryantam Aham Kridami. As soon as he is at home, 15 minutes mein, within 15 minutes, he changes his clothes, he keeps his bags and shoes at place, and then he comes out to play. See, आया, खेलने आया, that is not the bad thing. The bad thing is you people sitting at home and playing PlayStation and video games. Learn from this boys. Going out, play outdoor. Sapada Shat is 6:15. He comes back at 6 o'clock, 6:15 to 7:15. Exactly 1 hour he plays in the garden. वो लिखा नहीं है, it's just क्रीडामी. So where does he play? Outdoors. Tada anantaram aham sayam prarthanam karomi. Okay, I am beginning to love this boy right now because he is offering prayers to God every evening. Sandhya kale. Ataha sayam prarthanam karomi. What time? It's not written, but of course 7:15 ko aata hai, to 7:30 around he must be doing that. सार्ध सप्तवादनतः सार्ध अष्टवादन पर्यंतम. प्रार्थना के बाद from 7:30 till 8:30 pustakam pathami. And this pustak is not any textbook, workbook thing. This is story book. At this age, you should be reading at least 1 to 2 story books per week. So he's a good boy, he's reading pustakam. After that, Sardha Ashtavadane Bhojanam Karomi. At 8:30, he has his dinner. And then it's a free time. Navavadanatah Sardha Navavadana Paryantam Doordarshanam Pashyami. Doordarshan दूर का नहीं देखना है. Doordarshanam is the word for television in Sanskrit. So from 9 o'clock till 9:30, he says, I am watching television. I think half an hour is enough to watch it. Okay. Then there's a family time. Sardha Navavadanatah Dashavadana Paryantam Jananya Tatena cha Saha Vartalapam Karomi. There are many words to call your father and mother in Sanskrit. Let's talk about father first. You can call him Pitaha. Word is Pita. But if you want to call him like dad, Papa. आजकल तो pops भी कहते हैं, I don't know why. But the good word is He Janaka. हे तात, हे पितः. And for mother, you can say the word is Amba. You can call her Ambe. हे अम्बे. हाँ, अम्बे माता की जय में भी इसीलिए ही बोलते हैं. तो हे अम्बे, हे मातः, हे जननी, इस तरह से हम शब्द बोल सकते हैं. तो सार्ध नववादनतः from 9:30 till 10 o'clock वार्तालापम करोमि. I talk with, सह is with my mother and father. जननी instrumental जनन्या, तातः instrumental तृतीय विभक्ति तातेन. After having a good family time, दशवादने शयनं करोमि. I sleep at दश, 10 o'clock. That's right. So दिनचर्या उठने से सोते तक संपूर्ण दिनचर्या हमें पता है. दिनचर्या में कुछ बीच बीच में स्पेशल थिंग्स हो सकती है, but whatever is the daily routine कि इतना टाइम तो फिक्स है. कभी कभी परिवर्तन हो, that's fine, but दिनचर्या daily routine. Now let's talk about that exercise which I was going to tell you, जो चैप्टर शुरू होने से पहले बुक में दी है. वो क्यों दी है? It's just the extra information. But अगर आपकी स्कूल प्रेफर करती है to put this in your exams, then you should be able to know the other timings as well. So let's have a quick look at this. Okay. In this 6 and 5. So 6 is षट्वादनम, वो पहले लिख लो. 5 मिनट ज्यादा है. 5 को कहेंगे पंच, ज्यादा है तो अधिकम. तो पंच और अधिक को साथ में लेकर के संधि कर दीजिए, पंचाधिक. So 6 and 5 will be पंचाधिक षट्वादनम. तो 10 मिनट ज्यादा है तो कहेंगे दश अधिक. Club the two words together. दशाधिक. 11 o'clock. दशाधिक एकादश वादनम. Then here 5 and 10 minutes are less. If you have noted what we learned before starting the chapter, it was if 5 minutes are left, 10 minutes are left or 15 minutes are left, the less is called una. When combined with the word, it becomes ona. So 15 minutes were left, we call it padona. Tell me, if 5 minutes are left, we will call it panchona. If 10 minutes are left, we will call it dashona. But be careful not to take this 7:55. So it is not panchona saptavadanam. 5 मिनट बाकी है नेक्स्ट नंबर के लिए, that is अष्ट. That's why पंचोना अष्टवादनम. 10 मिनट बाकी है 7 बजने के लिए. That's why दशोना सप्तवादनम. Now let's solve this. First you tell me the answer, then I'm going to write it. Okay, let's discuss the answers. If 5 minutes are less to 8 o'clock, panchona ashtavadanam. If 10 minutes are more to 11 o'clock, dashadhika ekadashavadanam. If 5 minutes are more to 3 o'clock, panchadhika trivadanam. If 10 minutes are less to 2 o'clock, यानी 2 बजने वाले हैं, दशोना द्विवादनम. Please check your answers. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadah.